Longi pneumatic packaging machine has been in many dry mortar stations and dry mortar engineering users. After a large number of rigorous tests, it has won praise from users. Product introduction of pneumatic dry mortar packaging machine. Most dry mortar materials have poor fluidity, and pneumatic packaging machines use compressed air as power. Compressed air flows through the atomizer to fluidize the material in the sealed container, thereby achieving the function of conveying and feeding. The sealed container uses a pneumatic rubber valve, and the flow area of the valve is controlled to control the feeding amount of the packaged material, achieving effective and stable packaging accuracy and speed.